indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include parking assist system, towing package, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, cooled seats. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2015 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, lane departure warning, tow hitch. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.